Tashi Dilli. Welcome back to Team Fosa family. This video is about my reselling small business. So my reselling business has been a little bit quiet lately. That's why I wasn't really doing much video on it. And I thought I'll just come back and just give like a teeny tiny update on my reselling. How's it going and stuff. But basically, I'm still selling in Canadian platform in Poshmark. But since the tariff, that was what? I forgot, May 2nd? I think it went effective like tariff on everything on May 2nd. I've not really inactive, but my US Poshmark closet, I put them on vacation mode until I don't know when. For my eBay, I've actually removed most of my listing. I just have few listing which I think can justify the tariff cost. So since then, I did like ship one item to US, which was the profit margin was good enough for me to justify the tariff, because I was taking all the costs, so it was good enough for me to justify the tariff cost. So on eBay, so Poshmark, it's closed, but my closet is still running and on in my Canadian platform. No, pretty much it. So that's why I actually haven't been sourcing that much lately. So because I don't really want to get stuck with items that's just gonna sit in my inventory. So because when I had my my closets, like when I was able to ship to US pre all the tariff thing, about like 70% of my sales were coming from the US eBay and Poshmark. And compared to eBay and Poshmark, because even then I didn't really list that much in eBay. I was only listing the stuff that I think can sell in eBay, because I wasn't really going to spend a lot of time on a platform that's not going to sell. So most of the like not really bread and butter fashion, but a little bit upper than bread and butter fashion, those were selling very good in Poshmark. But in eBay, it was really different. It either has to be extremely cheap, like I can source in Goodwill and then like good item, and I can if I'm able to source with a good cost and sell cheap, that was eBay. And the other is in eBay, if it's extremely good, like extremely high brands and unique items. Before I think like about I did international shipment, like couple of them, like I think not more than couple. I did international shipping, maybe like 6-7 items that I shipped. So I did ship like international shipping, and those were like high items. So, and that was eBay, and those actually sat in my Poshmark closet, the US and Canadian closet, for quite a bit. But eBay is like hit and miss. Either has to be extremely cheap or extremely unique and like the big brand with the high value item. That was it. So for now, as of right now, I'm still shipping to US through eBay, and that is it has to be extremely good profit margin for me to be able to ship it out. The only item I've shipped to US since the tariff, I shipped a Prada pant, kind of like a trouser, but that one the cost, like the profit was good. So that was the only item I shipped since tariff. And finger crossed, I really hope all this tariff thing will go away. Anyways, it's pretty much it. So that was my update. Nothing much going on, and I'm still like buying a little bit here and there, and my Canadian closet is still active. But yeah, And my closet, like, I know I have not given my closet name on all of my past videos, because my my videos, my hauls, they were all because I like to do haul, and I wasn't really trying to come to this platform to sell my items. So I can just share my closet name. It's Sun Moon Karma, and it's only active in the Canadian platform. Yeah, so pretty much it. Nothing like a big change or big update. Just a small one. And I just wanted to share with you, because I was like, I haven't put any video out for regarding my reselling. So I was like, okay, what's going on with my closet? Maybe some or a few of you are wondering like what's going on with the reselling thing. So just wanted to share like a small update and how is it going and what I've been doing. Yeah, one thing I did was I actually sorted like some of my very old listings that sat in my closet. So I actually took some of it along with my personal use old items. I took it to Plato's closet. Like, you know how I take kids close to Once Upon a Child? And Plato's closet was kind of disappointing. I don't think I will do that again. I sent like a whole tote, and they only took like 2 or 3 items. This was like, I think, last month. So they only took like 2 or 3 items. They took my pre-owned jacket, which was good because it wasn't really in like excellent condition. It was okay condition. So they took that, and they actually took one of my extremely good item from my closet, and they paid like very bad. I think so. That was it. So I don't think I'm gonna do Plato's Closet anymore. So I was gonna do a video on Plato's Closet like I did on Once Upon a Child, but based on my experience, I don't think I will do it again. Like, I don't think I will like do the video, or maybe I will do it just to show, just to show like what I'm taking and what they're giving me. So no, don't know. Never say never. Anyway, so that's it for today. Just wanted to come back and share some update on my reselling. Yeah, it's been like a roller coaster ride. Hopefully some changes will come. Hopefully my US closet can go uh, live again. It's November end. Normally November, like since like I think around mid-October to like around first week of December, the closets are very busy. We get most of the sales around this time because of the holiday, like because the holiday is around the corner. But this year it's like nothing. Anyway, not nothing, but just few. Anyways, that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much, and see you on next video. Bye.